Can a message be sent from beyond the grave? Picture this. A researcher is grieving his late mentor. One day he walks into his mentor's old office and finds a piece of paper in the typewriter. It's an old, manual typewriter, completely unplugged, gathering dust. But on the paper, a new, freshly typed message reads, "I am fine." Just 3 words, appearing out of nowhere. The researcher is stunned. How could this be possible? Investigators were called in, and they examined everything: the typewriter, the paper, the room. They couldn't find a single logical explanation. Was it just a bizarre glitch in an old machine? Or was it a final, comforting message from a friend who had passed on? Some things just defy our understanding, leaving us to wonder what lies beyond the world we know. What do you think happened? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries.